Val 1012 and my sister.
Yeah, hi there. We found
A bird.
a dead one.
Yeah, we don't know if it's dead for sure or not.
Because the eyes are out.
Wait,
Let's try and hold it.
wait, I'm gonna poke it with the eyes.
No, I already got it.
I'm gonna see the eyes.
Okay, like, here's the bird.
It's cute.
No. Ew, look at those.
Huh, they kind of poke sometimes.
Here's the bird. It's kind of weird.
I know.
Like,
It's
you
our...
put it like, if you hold it, it's kind of like a,
Wait,
you're
I wanna
petting
touch-
a cat.
I wanna touch the beak.
And the beak is kind of pointy. I'm just gonna, come on in my backyard.
And mine too, obviously.
I'm gonna put it on the ground. Probably just right here. I'll put it right here.
But we might have...
The eyes, they're like,
Pop.
it looks like they're out. Michelle, don't do that.
They're not. Wait,
It
never
looks-
mind, they're not.
It looks like they're out of its head.
Like, I'll show you.
Show.
I am showing.
No, make it show at me.
Uh.
It kind of looks like, if you look at the
Can I
eyes, it kind of looks like the eyes are out, but it's not. Actually, I'll show them. Like, it's not actually. I think the eyes are just closed. Now, there was a cat over here, so I really want to go see it.
Okay, guys, we're gonna show you.
Yeah, come on.
Live stream.
Come on.
There's no live button, but Gwen wants to see if there's a live button, and I told her just say.
Yeah, there's like nothing in here. I don't see any cats. So
I'm gonna go see the bird.
I'm just gonna climb down now, and I'll throw your phone.
Why?
Just hold it. Just hold the phone.
What?
You can show them the bird again.
Okay, so we're gonna show you the bird right now. It's right here. I'm gonna show you. I feel like it's almost alive. Just look at it. Oh my gosh, I'm a bird. Hey guys, in the comments, comment below, how do you think this bird died? For me, I think this bird died by hitting a window.
Yeah, it probably hit our window.
Yeah,
Look
probably.
at that.
It looks cute though.
How do you think it looks cute when it's dead?
Well, it kind of looks cute. Finally, it's so soft.
Comment down below, guys, if you dare me to eat it.
Giselle, what type of person are you? Ow, sorry.
If you want to, I can throw it.
No!
Then don't slap me.
Okay, now you hold it.
No.
I want
Bye, guys. I'm going back. Bye.
So, guys, I'm going to be holding the bird and, like...
Michelle, you know you're showing your chin and your mouth.
Anyways, guys, I'm going to be showing you, like, run out. So, I'm going to show you the bird. Right here. I'm scared. Oh, it's right here, guys. I'm a little birdie, yes I am. I'm a little birdie, yes I am. I don't know how this bird got fell or something, but I'm gonna put it in a soft place where it could stay like for a long time. And if it's hurt, then I'll like put it somewhere, but that's safe for us to hide from cats to eat it. I'm gonna put a ball right here, like a ball, not to suffocate it, but to cover it from a cat to get eaten, to try to eat it. So yeah, that is the end of our video, guys. So please like, but if you don't like seeing dead stuff, please comment below. Okay, guys? So yeah, comment below. Stay cute, guys. Bye. Cute out.